Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can comment on a post on Instagram. So let's get started. Firstly, open Instagram app in your device. Then find the post on which you want to comment. Next, tap on comment icon. Then you can see the option of add a comment. Type what you want to. Then tap on send icon. So this is how you can comment on a post on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.